Distinguished Prof. E.U. Ikone, Vice Chancellor, Abia State University. The distinguished Chairman of the occasion, Barrister Mrs. Lovett Ofebu. Distinguished Senator T.A. Oji, duly represented by our Honorable Sir Longman. Ambassador Chibike Okowa, SWAF's Destiny Student Ambassador Abia State, absent. Honorable Chief Orlando Jr., SSA to the Governor on General Duties, Honorable Commissioners present, VCs, Rectors, Provosts, and Dean Student Affairs present. Nanzombi Coordinator, Comrade Okereke Gosson, aka Aluta Bishop. Nans Leader Abia Aziz, Comrade Kokiloson Wachuku. Nans Stakeholder Abia Aziz, under the leadership of Ikenna Balogu Benjamin. AC on Student Affairs to the Governor, Chibuzondo, JCC Inaugural Chairman, UC Majesty, HUG President Abia Aziz, my JCC officials, distinguished members of the high table, all Nigerian students present of the greatest Nigeria students. On behalf of NANS Abia Aziz, under the leadership of Comrade Koki Losawachuku, and NANS Zen Campus Committee under my chairmanship, I bring you all fundamental greetings in the spirit of Aluta struggle and our collective effort for the betterment of our dear state. We gladly wish to express our profound gratitude to all Nigerian students in Abia Aziz who found us worthy to serve at the joint campus committee level in the state. It is a call to serve and a call to lead. Inasmuch as the task ahead might be enormous and demanding, but we promise to project and to protect the interests of Nigerian students in Abia Aziz against all odds or intimidation. Truth be told, that this day has been long anticipated for, but due to some certain challenges, it has been postponed several times. But be it as it may, we return praises and glory to our Almighty God. In His infinite mercies and kindness, made it a reality today. With a heart full of gratitude, we sincerely wish to express our thanks to the erudite and distinguished Vice Chancellor of Abia State University, Prof. E.U. Ikone, for his sponsorship and support towards this inauguration. I wish to appreciate especially some individuals who played wonderful roles in the course of this program. Comrade Koki Loson Wachuku, Abia National Rep, Comrade Chibuzondom, AC on Student Affairs, Comrade Ikenna Balogu, Stakeholder Chairman Abia Aziz, Comrade UC Majesty, JCC Inaugural Committee Chairman, Comrade Chibu Goswe, JCC Secretary, Inaugural Committee, Comrade Afulike Don Christian, a super stakeholder, Comrade Dr. Kesley, a stakeholder and the National Deputy President of Hanes and Igbo Student Wing, Comrade Jennifer Adele Aluta Mama, a super national stakeholder, Comrade Mrs. Amaka, Deputy Chairperson, stakeholder Abia Aziz, Comrade Victor Dupre Aluta Sasa, Comrade Jude, a super stakeholder, and many others which I may not mention for now. We equally extend our gratitude to all other functionaries of the occasion, which include the JCC Inaugural Committee under the chairmanship of UC Majesty, the local organizing committee under the chairmanship of Comrade Onibo Ndobisi, NANS Senators of Abia State, NANS Stakeholders Abia Aziz, NANS Abia Representative Comrade Koki Losawachuku, AC on Student Affairs to the Governor Chibuzondo, my JCC officials, Nanzombi, and everyone that worked hard behind the scenes to ensure that today is a success. May the Lord bless and reward each and every one 100-fold and grant you all journey mercies back to your respective destination. In addendum, I also want to use this medium to applaud the student-friendly governor, OKJBT Bazo PhD, for his wonderful efforts geared towards bringing Abia State Polytechnic back to school on 14th May 2018. It shows that the governor has the interest of Nigerian students at heart. You have done much, sir. We are indeed grateful, and we are still pleading for more, and also soliciting on behalf of Nigerian students in Abia State College of Education, Technical, Arochukwu. Sir, your children are at their various homes doing nothing. They need to go back for lectures. We therefore kindly plead that out of your benevolence, extend the helping hand to Africa. We therefore employ Nigerian students over there to remain law-abiding citizens and calm, as we are hopeful that our amiable student-friendly governor will hearken to our plea, as he has always done in the past. God bless Nigerian students. God bless our state. Thanks and God bless you all. I remain comrade in the auditorium. JC Cameron.
Put your hands together again for him. Thank you very much. You can make it better for him.